We have the example codes about binary codes. Include iStream. Using namespace std semicolon struct node open bracket integer data semicolon. Struct node is in the left semicolon. Struct node is in the right semicolon. Close bracket semicolon. Struct node again, new node integer data, open bracket. Struct node again, node equal new struct node, semicolon. Node negative less than data equal integer data, semicolon. Node negative less than left equal null, semicolon. Node negative less than right equal null,